Welcome to our channel, and in this video I will teach you how to use the PrimeXBT cryptocurrency exchange. First, please notice our disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Now let's dive right into the video. And now in this time that a lot of people are panic selling their cryptos in this bear market, it is actually the optimal time to make profits while shorting cryptocurrencies. On PrimeXBT you can quickly and in a secure way easily buy cryptos and trade cryptos. So before we get into the exchange and all its features, and I will explain you everything, first I want to say that all the links will be down in the description, including a register link for PrimeXBT, where you can register using our code CryptoGems to get up to a $7,000 first deposit bonus. So now first, what I will explain you to actually start trading and start investing cryptos, what you need to know is how to buy cryptos on PrimeXBT. And as I said, PrimeXBT has one of the most secure ways to actually buy crypto, and apart from that, it is also simple and easy. Now first of all, you can also just simply deposit your cryptos into the exchange. But apart from that, and something I think is an amazing feature, is that you can buy cryptos directly on their exchange. So I will show you now how to do that. First of all, from the top menu, you press buy crypto. Then you get to this screen where you can first of all choose which crypto you would like to purchase. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, USDT, and in what currency you would like to purchase that specific crypto. After that, you must choose a way in how you want to buy the cryptos. So you can use Coinify, for example, and what you can then do is you can pick between Visa or MasterCard, so debit and credit card, to buy those cryptos. But also for the users in Europe, you can also use SEPA for your payment. Now what you simply do is you click buy, which will direct you to, in this case, Coinify. Here you can see what you would like to spend and how much cryptocurrencies you will get in exchange for that. You click buy now. You simply register and log in, complete the KYC. This is a very simple and intuitive process. It only will take you a minute. And then afterwards you will pay and the crypto is yours. Very easy and quick. And once the deposit is in, you will see all your cryptos right here in your wallet on PrimeXBT. And now I quickly want to remind you that with the link down in the description, you can actually register on PrimeXBT and start this process and even get up to $7,000 in a bonus. So I would definitely check out the link down in the description. Now the second part I wanted to talk about on the PrimeXBT exchange is margin trading. But before we get into what is margin trading and how to actually do it on PrimeXBT, I wanted to tell you a little bit about margin trading on PrimeXBT. They have over 100 assets, including crypto, mainly crypto, more than 25 crypto pairs, but also Forex, commodities and indices. You can get high leverage, so up to 200-to-1 leverage on cryptos, low fees, customer support with response times under 5 minutes, which not a lot of exchanges have at this point of time. Bonuses up to $7,000, which I told you about. Via the link down in the description, you can, for example, get some of that. And it's just a simple, intuitive trading platform where you can just trade by looking at the charts and place trades on the chart. Very easy to use. So now a little bit more before we get into how to actually margin trade on PrimeXBT, a little bit about what is margin trading. So margin trading involves using borrowed funds to trade at greater volumes compared to using only your personal funds. So this can increase the profits, but it leaves the traders exposed to margin costs too, so also at a greater risk. And PrimeXBT offers both leveraged longs and shorts to profit with margin trading on both rising and falling markets. So when you initiate a margin trade, the trader is required to commit a percentage of the total order value, and the initial investment is known as the margin and is closely related to the concept of leverage. So for example, if you use a 1-to-100 leverage, the trader needs to only commit 0.01 Bitcoin, that's the margin, to trade with 1 Bitcoin. And similarly, opening up a 10,000 USD order only takes about $100 from the trader itself. So now let's see how to actually do that on PrimeXBT. So the first thing you will need to do is at the main page, you will need to deposit funds into your margin trading wallet via the deposit button right here under margin trading. You will need this to actually get a percentage in margin to use that and to leverage your positions. After that, from the top menu, you can just press margin, and here you will see all of those crypto pairs we just talked about. So if you actually want to trade a pair, what you do is, for example, you look up Algorand, Algo against USD, As I said, you can easily use the chart right here to buy or sell it. And what you can then do is by right clicking that pair, you can either buy or sell it. In this case, it looks to have found support right here, so maybe I would like to buy it. So when you press buy, you can now see the new order, the symbol, algo against USD, as we talked about, algorand against the US dollar. You can choose your order type, so for example a market order, a limit order, or a stop order, the amount you want to buy, and also if you want to buy or sell. You can still change that at this point of time. And then what I would always like to do is you can set a stop loss price and a take profit price. So for example, say you would like to buy where we are right now. You can see we're at 30.38. So what you do is at the limit price, I want to buy at 30.38. Then you can set the stop loss at, for example, 30 cents and a take profit at 31 cents. And then you can change the amount you actually want to buy. So let's say we want to buy 100 of this pair. And then you can easily see the projected loss in Bitcoin, the projected profit in Bitcoin, to easily assess your risk to reward ratio and what this trade actually means. Then I also wanted to talk about, I think, an amazing feature on PrimeXBT, which not a lot of exchanges have, and that is copy trading. So copy trading allows you to actually follow the strategy and the trading of certified traders very easily. You can just follow them here, right here on PrimeXBT with the funds in your wallet. So what you would like to do is, first of all, you go to the top menu again and press copy trading. So once you've pressed copy trading, you're getting to the co-vesting module. Co-vesting is used by PrimeXBT to actually allow the copy trading. And right here you can see all the strategies, and some important things you can look at is, for example, the active days, where the longer it is active, the better the strategy. But you can also easily see the performance over the last time period, and the rating, where the higher the stars, obviously the higher the rating of the strategy and the trader. So say I want to invest in one of these strategies, for example the DeFi Forex BTC. What you can then easily do, it's a very easy process. Again, you can click follow, continue, and then you get to this screen where you can enter your initial following amount, again from funds that you have deposited earlier into your PrimeXBT wallet. And the entry fee can be reduced and your profit share can be increased by one simple thing, and you can check that if you press it. Then you get to this screen and you can see that if you have a certain amount of dollars in COVE, which is the co-vesting token, you can get lower fees and a higher profit share while copy trading on PrimeXBT. Now once more, I do want to say that all the links you will need about PrimeXBT and anything we talked about, and also the register link, which you can get $7,000 as a first time deposit bonus, will be down in the description. Now lastly, I also wanted to talk about the PrimeXBT Trading Academy, which is a YouTube channel where they actually offer a cryptocurrencies trading crash course for beginners. So if this is still all a little bit new to you, you can just check out their channel right here. As you can see, PrimeXBT Academy, where they have a crypto trading crash course and amazing education on how to use the platform, cryptocurrencies, and how to trade. So I would definitely check this out if you're a beginner or if you want to learn how to trade on PrimeXBT too. Now with that, we've reached the end of this video, and in this video we talked about how you can actually buy and deposit cryptos into PrimeXBT. We talked about how you can margin trade on the PrimeXBT exchange, how you can follow other trader strategies by copy trading them on PrimeXBT, and about the PrimeXBT Trading Academy on YouTube. And now I want to end this by saying that all the links you will need, again, will be down in the description. So the register link to get up to a $7,000 first time deposit bonus, but also the YouTube channel of PrimeXBT. So thank you again for watching this video. And if you found it helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments about things I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.